Welcome to Global Trails, a fresh and exciting YouTube channel created by Tarek in June 2024. This channel is still new, with only a few videos and subscribers, but its purpose is clear: to bring the beauty of travel and exploration to you, wherever you are. Global Trails is all about uncovering breathtaking landscapes, exploring vibrant cities, and sharing the joy of travel with everyone. From the peaks of majestic mountains to the serene valleys of Europe, we aim to capture the magic of each destination and inspire you to embark on your own adventures. We have big plans for the future, including the purchase of a drone to capture stunning aerial footage of mountains, valleys, and other awe-inspiring locations. These high-quality, cinematic shots will bring you even closer to the beauty of nature and elevate the content we create. But to make this vision a reality, we need your support. By subscribing to Global Trails, liking and sharing our videos, you're helping this channel grow and ensuring that we can invest in better equipment and create even more amazing content. Every subscription counts, and your support means the world to us. Together, we can make Global Trails a channel that celebrates the beauty and wonder of travel while inspiring countless viewers to explore the world. Thank you in advance for joining us on this journey. Hit the subscribe button now and become a part of the Global Trails community. Let's discover the world, one trail at a time.